When it comes to customer support, Kashoo versus Patriot accounting is a battle that many small business owners are trying to figure out. In today's video, we'll dive deep into both of these platforms, examining how their customer support stacks up against one another. Stay tuned till the end because I'll share my own experience and a better alternative you might want to consider. Let's start with Kashoo. They provide customer support through a few different channels, including email and live chat. One thing that stands out about Kashoo is their 24/7 live chat support. Sounds great, right? But there's a catch. While the support is available all the time, the response times can sometimes be slow. You may find yourself waiting for several minutes, or even longer, before getting a reply. This can be frustrating, especially when you're facing a time-sensitive issue. They also offer email support, but if you need a quick resolution, it might not be your best bet. Next, let's look at Patriot Accounting. Their support is primarily focused on phone and email. Phone support is a big advantage here, as you can actually speak to a person directly. The only issue? It's not available 24/7, and sometimes during peak hours, it can take a while to get through. The response times on email are a bit faster compared to Kashoo's, but you're still left waiting when you really need help right away. On the positive side, Patriot offers an extensive knowledge base with articles and tutorials that can help answer a lot of your questions without needing to reach out to support. Now, let's talk about the quality of the support itself. Kashoo's support team is knowledgeable, but again, the response time can be hit or miss. You may get a helpful answer, but it might take longer than you'd like. Their live chat feature is definitely convenient for simple inquiries, but for more complex issues, you might end up needing to go back and forth several times to get the full resolution. This can be frustrating if you're trying to keep your business moving forward. On the other hand, Patriot Accounting's phone support generally gets better feedback. The agents tend to be more responsive and can resolve issues in one call, especially with straightforward questions. But again, the lack of 24/7 support is a downside, and depending on the time of day, it might be difficult to get through. Email support is good, though, and their knowledge base is actually quite detailed, which can be a lifesaver if you prefer solving issues on your own. Next thing to consider is the cost. Kashoo's pricing is on the higher end for small business accounting software, and considering their mixed reviews for customer support, it may feel like you're paying a premium without getting the level of support you'd expect. Patriot Accounting, on the other hand, is more affordable, but you might find yourself needing to rely more on the knowledge base or third-party resources if phone support isn't available. And finally, let's wrap up with a recommendation. Both Kashoo and Patriot Accounting have their merits, but when it comes to customer support, there's a clear difference in how responsive and accessible they are. Kashoo has its strengths, but if you need more reliable, direct support, especially with the option of speaking to a representative right away, Patriot Accounting might be the better choice for you. However, after trying both myself, I've found that there's an even better alternative out there. If you want a solution that offers a better overall customer support experience and doesn't leave you waiting for a response when you need help, I highly recommend checking out the free trial of the software linked in the description. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. Remember, Kashoo and Patriot Accounting are good options, but if customer support is your top priority, there's a better alternative. Don't forget to check the link for more details.